Hi there and welcome back. We're now going to take a look at the third workflow, which is YouTube Shorts. So you click on the Shorts. Now I'm going to give it a very limited amount of script. In fact, and I need to make certain changes to it. I'm going to add a topic, which would be financial planning for business, for small business. And I'm going to tell it that armed with this strategy, okay, I'm going to remove the word host from that. I'm practically editing it and giving it exactly what I want it to say. Okay, this time I want my voice again. And I'm going to say I want subtitles and use iStock. Okay, let's see what it does and how long it creates the video for in terms of its duration. So I'm going to accept those changes. It's a little bit more changes that needs to take place up there. I think okay, these strategies. Let's see. Armed with strategies with this strategy is supposed to be. That's why it gave me an error right there with this strategy. I'm going to change that to strategy. YouTube. No, that's correct. Okay, so let's then generate. So it's doing its thing, and once the video is done, I'll come back to you. As the case always is, it wants to know who my audience are. And this time, I'm going to say investors, just because I wanted to rephrase some of the content I've given it. And I want it to be YouTube Shorts, so let's go with the generation. The video is now ready, but before we watch it, I want us to go again so that we get familiar with editing. Let's go edit the script. And it talks about imagine a world where your small business thrives and on, and let's say buy Boomi token. Let's put my name there so that we know we've made this type of change to it. Welcome back. We've made the changes and we are ready to watch the video now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.